look at the light. Matches those. Come on, how about mine?
Check up.
My cousin Emily has the matches there. Just here.
Francesca! Careful, hold it like here. And don't be scared of it, okay?
I ain't scared of it. I've done this 5 years ago.
It's not lighting. The wind!
Retarded wind.
Hay viento.
Yo quiero, Despacito. Heck. This is a retarded. Whoa! Woo! Woo! That's right, homies! Fireworks! 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 Oh! It's burning to my head! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Better, guys! Well, guys, this is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button. And this is Family Guy Ken 1000. Peace out, homies, and happy 4th of July. Bye. Bro fist! Happy 4th of July from Family Guy Ken 1000.